Apple is preparing to open a new store at the Del Amo Fashion Center shopping mall in Torrance, California, per building permits filed with the city in October. Torrance is located in the South Bay region of Los Angeles County. The permits reveal that Apple will be located on the main level of the mall, between Lululemon and Madewell. The store will be taking over the combined space of two side-by-side units previously occupied by J.Crew and Chico's. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman was first to report on Apple's plans for the store in June, after obtaining the company's internal roadmap for retail expansion. Apple estimated that the store would open in March 2024 per the roadmap, but this timeframe is subject to change based on completion of construction, hiring, and other factors. Apple is also moving forward with plans to relocate its store at the Square One shopping mall in Mississauga, Ontario, west of Toronto in Canada. Apple will be taking over a space previously occupied by Massimo Dutti on the second floor of the mall, above the food court, according to a building permit filed with the city in June. Last, a building permit filed with Gwinnett County in May confirms that Apple plans to relocate its store at the Mall of Georgia in Beaufort, northeast of Atlanta. The new store will remain in the mall, but the permit did not reveal a specific location. Apple estimated that the new Square One and Mall of Georgia stores would open in late 2023, based on the roadmap, but the projects are taking longer. Earlier this month, Apple confirmed that it will be permanently closing its Infinite Loop store in Cupertino, California on January 20th. Apple will also be shuttering its Royal Hawaiian store in Honolulu on the same day. Apple said all affected employees at both locations will be given the opportunity to continue working for the